Baby First! Click the subscribe button below.
Oh? Hey, did you hear that? What was it? Oh no! Gaga! Oh, what happened? Oh, Gaga! Are you okay?
What happened to Gaga?
Well, I don't know.
Hello, GooGoo. Gaga is sad. We don't know why. What should we do?
Hey, I have an idea. Maybe she needs a big hug. I'm sure that will help. You see? It helped. Oh no! Oh. Whoa! What is this, GooGoo? A lollipop? Wow!
Maybe she's hungry. I'll bring her something.
I think I'm hungry too.
Here, drink. Oh no!
Oh, look! She has got a boo-boo on her leg. We need to take her to a doctor.
But she can't walk.
Oh, I've got an idea. Wait here. I'll put her on this. Don't worry, Gaga. Now we can carry you to the doctor. Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
And 1, 2, 3.
Three.
Ooh!
Oh, a big puddle. We should jump over it.
No! Gaga would fall. We should go around it.
Okay, let's do it carefully.
That's right. Like that.
Okay.
Wait! We did it! We did it! Come on, let's go. Oh no! A big stone! We need to climb on it carefully. GooGoo, you go first. There. Are you comfortable, Gaga?
Okay, I have something for you here. You will need to take these twice a day, okay? Feel better.
Here is your number, Gaga. You are number 3.
Look, Gaga. Number 1 just finished. Now it's number 2's turn, and then number 3. That's you! Isn't that great?
Hello, what's the problem?
Oh, my trunk hurts.
Okay, I can fix that. All done. You can go home now and get some rest.
Oh, thank you, Dr. Harry. Goodbye. Now it's your turn, Gaga. Number 3.
Next, please. Hello, Gaga. Please sit down and tell me what's wrong.
Hello, Doctor. We came here because...
She looks so pink. I will check her temperature
But
first.
Harry...
Please hug. I know what I am doing. Okay, your temperature is normal.
But Dr. Harry...
I haven't finished yet. Open your mouth. Open wide and say, ah. Ah. Well, your throat is good. Please, let me do my work. Everything seems to be okay. I'm afraid I just don't know what the problem is. Oh, I see you have a boo-boo. Well, why didn't you tell me?
But we...
Let's take care of it. I'll put some special cream on it. Here. Don't be afraid, Gaga. It doesn't hurt.
Hey, guys. I think that Gaga is really afraid. Oh.
Oh.
Hey, maybe we should all hold her hand together.
Yes, let's do it.
It's okay, Gaga.
Ooh.
There you go, Gaga. And now
Ooh.
I will put a
Wow.
bandage on it. There you go. Now, Gaga, because you were so brave, I'm going to give you a special sticker.
Ooh. Hey, Dr. Harry, I don't feel so good either.
What's wrong, Hug?
I don't know. But maybe you should check me with that thing.
Okay. You're okay, Hug. There's nothing wrong.
Mother.
You don't feel good too, GooGoo? Tickling is not an illness. Your leg is okay.
Oh, I think I have a fever. Dr. Harry, could you check me too?
Okay. Well, good news. You are healthy. You're okay. In fact, you're all okay. You can go home.
Harry, can you give us stickers anyway? We were brave too.
Of course I can. There's one for you, Hug. And one for Gigs. And one for GooGoo.
Yay! Yay! I love stickers so much.
Johnny.
Yes, Papa?
Playing dress up?
No, Papa.
Are you sure?
No, Papa.
Please step forward. Johnny.
Yes, Papa?
Playing dress up?
No, Papa.
Are you sure?
No, Papa.
Please step forward. Johnny.
Yes, Papa?
Playing dress up?
No, Papa.
Are you sure?
No, Papa.
Please step forward. Johnny.
Yes, Papa?
Playing dress up?
No, Papa.
Are you sure?
No, Papa.
Please step forward.
Do you like GooGoo? Click here to see more. Click here to be his friend forever.